Hi there, I'm Dennis from Checkout Links, and I'm going to just quickly show you how to use Checkout Links on POS together with Downpay and Klaviyo to send an email to the customer. So in order to get this to work, first of all, you need to go into Settings in Checkout Links, head over to Klaviyo, and then you'll just have a Connect button here, and it will go through the auth with Klaviyo for you. After that, you can decide to upload your logo and pick a brand color. And that's basically it for the emails. So next up, what you need to set up is Shopify Flow. So I've already got one set up here, but I can go through it real quick with you. So you want the start trigger to be meta object entry created, and then pick checkout links as the definition. Then add in a condition, and that condition should be if send rules is not empty and exists. And the last one is the send checkout link action. In here, you'll pick the variables from the meta object. So you just go and pick send rules for email, not twice as I did there. There we go. And for link, you just go ahead and pick the shortcode. And then you can configure the actual email. So I set this up as a template, but obviously you can change your subject, your like banner, or if you don't want a banner, you just remove it. Same goes with the image, you don't need it. Headline, body text, and button text. Then you have this toggle, which is if you want to show the link items or not in the email. I'm not gonna save anything right now, just gonna leave it like that. But yeah, so that's the flow. It's pretty easy. So now we got checkout links connected to Klaviyo. We got our flow connected as well. So next up is just have a look in the POS to see how it works. So I got it on my phone here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add this very expensive perfume to my cart. And you can see here it does have purchase options available. And one of those is a selling plan from Downpay. But we can't select it in POS, as you know. So what you can do now instead is go to the tiles and just hit create link. And you'll see everything that will be created within the link. And you can see it says one-time purchase. So just hit that edit button and you can select any selling plan. So deposit on it you at checkout. Then just click done. So from here you have a few other settings as well. Like if the link is supposed to be a one-time use link, you can also add a pre-checkout page with a call out and upsells. And maybe most importantly, you have this send link via email. And in here, you just specify the email address that you want. Or even better, if you actually have a customer added, I'm just going to go ahead and add myself. You'll go and go into create link. You just tap on send link via email, and the email will be pre-filled from that customer. So I'm just going to go ahead and create the link. Just takes like a second or so, and this is what you get. So you get confirmation that the link is created, that the link has been emailed. You get a QR if you want to show it to the customer in the retail store, and you also see the link at the bottom. So yeah, that's how it's created. So now let's go ahead and look at the actual link. Okay, so now I'm in Checkout Links. I'm just going to go ahead and look at the link. So we can see it here, POS card for Dennis Hassan. This will be the naming convention and with the date. So if I click into it, we can see it created this link for us with the very expensive perfume, with the correct spelling plan, pre-filled the customer info, and it also added some attribution. So POS, the Stockholm store, and the staff name. So right now the customer and staff are the same, but yeah, you get the point. It also added a usage limit on the link, so it can only be used once. So that's how the link will look, and you'll get analytics on it, both in the app and in Shopify native analytics based on these UTM tags. So now I'm just going to head over to Flow to see that it actually ran. And yeah, we can see here, 3 minutes ago it ran. Send checkout link completed. So I'll head over to my email and see how the email looks. And here's the email that I got. So we got our subject, the logo, everything that we added in the config earlier. And from here, the customer can just click on the CTA button and it will take them to the link, just like this. And the link will just take them to the checkout and everything will be pre-filled for the customer's address and stuff. And you can see what's due today and on fulfillment. So you can combine this with both straight to checkout links and also the pre-checkout pages as well. So if you have any questions or anything like that, just let me know. Cheers.